Can a landlord enter my rental apartment without notice? Imagine coming home after a long day and finding someone in your apartment without warning. It might make you wonder, can a landlord just walk in whenever they want? Well, let's clear that up. Usually, landlords cannot enter your rental apartment without giving you proper notice first. They are required to give at least 24 hours written notice that states the date, approximate time, and reason for entry. This rule is there to protect your privacy and give you time to prepare. Landlords should only enter during normal business hours unless you agree to a different time or it's an emergency. Now, there are some exceptions where they can come in without notice. If there is an emergency like a fire, a burst pipe, a gas leak, or any situation that threatens life or property, they can enter immediately to fix the problem. If the landlord reasonably believes you have abandoned the apartment, maybe because you haven't paid rent and haven't been seen for a while, they might also enter without notice. Sometimes, a court order allows them to come in without warning, especially if there are legal proceedings involved. If your lease or a separate agreement specifically states that the landlord can enter without notice under certain conditions, they can do so. For non-emergency reasons like repairs, inspections, or showing the apartment to prospective tenants or buyers, landlords must give proper notice and cannot just walk in whenever they want. They must respect your right to privacy and not abuse their right to enter. If a landlord repeatedly enters without notice or for invalid reasons, you can seek legal help or report them. These rules are there to balance the landlord's need to manage the property with your right to enjoy your home peacefully. Always know your rights and communicate clearly with your landlord about entry requests. Remember, unless there's an emergency or a legal exception, they must give you at least 24 hours written notice before entering your apartment.